What's up, guys? We got a very short video today on an easy subject that's adding and subtracting complex numbers. Now, we've been using the word complex number to talk about a lot of different things, but remember that a true complex number is two terms. You've got a real number part and an imaginary part. Okay, so 5 is a real number. 3i is an imaginary number because it has that I in the term. So by putting those together, by saying 5 plus 3i, this together, all these two terms together are what we call a complex number. Okay, so in this case you're adding two complex numbers. Now really all we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms the same way as if that I were just an x. Okay, just like all the same rules that would apply if it was x, you can only combine i's of the same power and all of that same stuff. So for adding and subtracting, you can pretty much pretend that the I is an x. That's not going to be the case when we get to multiplying and dividing, but for now it is. So it's very easy. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 3i plus 2i is 5i. And the typical sort of standard form for writing a complex number is that you put the real number first and then the imaginary number. So we want to say, you know, the whatever that whole number is, 5, 9, whatever, and then over here you want to put the I. All right, the next one, negative 3 minus 4. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. And 6i minus negative I, that means that's 6i plus I, actually. So that's going to be 7i. Okay, if you're having a hard time with this, if you're getting these wrong very often, then you need to go work on your integer addition and subtraction. And you can ask me and I can show you some resources for that. But the I doesn't really change anything here. So for example, if you added this and maybe you said negative 7i, or maybe you came up with 5i, that means you're weak on your integer addition and subtraction, and that's okay, but that just means you need to work on that. So that's what we need to go back and find some resources for you and figure out, you know, where you're having a problem with addition and subtraction, because this is very important to get out of the way now so that you have an easier time throughout the year.